Birds sunning themselves in the bush. I thought they were fake to start with. I'm out collecting charity money from a Star Wars garden. I've got an open day on May the 4th. And this is one of the first houses I've come to. And I looked around and seen these birds in the bush completely still. Chilling out. Sunning their backs actually, because the sun's off to my right. And it's really warm today. It's the hottest day of the year so far here, without a doubt. I've not felt heat in the sun like that since maybe last September here. Okay. Beautiful. Right. Like and subscribe. Watch out for more videos. Have a great weekend. Love you all. Bye bye.